Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ganitashi Maitri. In a single throw of pair of dice, what is the probability of getting a sum of 8? Now if I throw a pair of dice, then we will get sample space as 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 and 6 6. Now it is asked that what is the probability of getting sum of 8? To get the sum of 8, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 3 5, 2 plus 4 6, 2 plus 5 7, 2 plus 6 8 first time, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 5 second time, 4 plus 4, 5 and 3, 6 and 2. So we will get the sum 8 for how many times? We will get sum 8 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 times we are getting the sum 8. And the total sample space, our sample space has total 36 elements. So the probability will be 5 by 36, means option D is right answer. Next question is, if you are ninth person in queue starting from either end, then the number of persons in queue is what? So suppose this is the queue and I am ninth one. I am standing here. I am ninth one. I am ninth from both the sides, left side as well as right side. It means that 8 persons are sitting here and 8 persons are sitting here. That's why I am ninth from both the sides. So total number of persons in queue will be 8 plus 8, that is 16, and 16 plus me, that is 16 plus 1 17. So total 17 persons are sitting in the queue. Next question is, a father is now 3 times as old as his son. Now let 5 years back he was 4 times as old as his son. The age of son is what? So what we will take, 5 years back, let son's age is x years, then father was then 4 times as old as his son. So 5 years back father's age was 4x. Now at present son's age will be x plus 5 and father's age will be 4x plus 5. A father is now 3 times as old as his son. So now father is 3 times old as his son, means 3 into son's age is equal to father's age. So after solving we will get 3x plus 15 equal to 4x plus 5 and x is equal to 10. The age of son is asked here. Today's age is x plus 5 because we let son's age as x 5 years back. So today's age will be x plus 5, that is x plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 years. So option B is right answer. Next question is, the blood pressure values for 4 persons are given below. Who among the following has normal blood pressure? Now the blood pressure is measured systolic and diastolic and standard value of blood pressure is 120/80 mm of Hg. So we know this basic. So here 120/80, Mr. Y is having 120/80 blood pressure, so it is considered as normal blood pressure. So Mr. Y, option D, is right answer. Next question is, the age of father is twice that of the elder son. 10 years hence, the age of father will be 3 times that of the younger son. If difference of ages between two sons is 15 years, the age of father is what? Now here, let elder son is X, younger son is Y, and father's age is F. The age of father is twice that of the elder son. We let elder son as X. Age of father is twice that of the elder son. Suppose the age of elder son is U, then age of father will be twice that of the elder son, that is 2U. 10 years hence, 10 years, after 10 years, these ages will become, elder son will be U plus 10 years and father will become 2U plus 10 years old. Now 10 years hence, age of father will be 3 times that of the younger son. So this age is 3 times of the age of younger son. So the age of younger son will be 2U plus 10 divided by 3. 2U plus 10 divided by 3 will be the age of younger son. If difference of ages of the two sons is 15 years, so U plus 10 minus 2U plus 10 by 3 is 15 given. So we will solve this. U plus 10 minus 2U plus 10 divided by 3 is equal to 15. 3U plus 30 minus 2U minus 10 equal to 45. 3U minus 2U is U. U plus 20 equal to 45. So U will be 25. U is 25. Means the son's age we get U 25. The age of father is what? So the age of father is asked. Today's age of father is asked here. So now we got U is equal to 25. Now father's age will be 2U, that is 2 into 25. So it will be 50 years. 50 years. So option D is right answer. Now we will cross check whether our calculation is right or not. Suppose now age of father we know, that is 50 years. Twice that of the elder son means elder son has age 25 years. 10 years hence, age of elder son will become 35, father's age will become 60, and father will be 3 times of younger son. Means the younger son will have age 20 years after 10 years. So today's age of younger son is 10 years. Now if we will check the difference between the age of elder son and age of younger son, then it will be 25 minus 10, that is 15. So our answer is right, 50 years.